In this video, I introduce a soft prompt tuning for pre-trained language models. Prompt tuning uses a pre-trained language model to perform specific downstream tasks, which can be viewed as a simplification of prefix tuning. Soft prompts are learned through backpropagation and can be tuned to incorporate the signals from any number of labeled examples. Model tuning a pre-trained language model requires storing separate copies of the model for each end task, as shown here. Prompt tuning matches the quality of model tuning as size increases, as shown here, while reusing a simple frozen language model for all tasks, as shown here. Prompt tuning only requires storing a small task-specific prompt for each task, and enables mixed task inference using the original pre-trained model. For example, each copy of the tuned model requires 11 building parameters, as shown here. By contrast, the tuned prompts only require about 20,000 parameters per task, as shown here. Prompt tuning adds extra information to the input X to generate the output Y, namely, prepend a series of tokens P to X. Prompt tuning introduces prompt parameters theta P and then maximizes likelihood of Y condition on the concatenation of prompt P and the input X. Prompt tuning only applies a gradient update to the prompt parameters theta P via backpropagation, while keeping the language model parameters theta fixed. GPT-3 uses prompt design to select prompt tokens from a fixed vocabulary of frozen embeddings. The representations of prompt tokens are part of the model's embedding table. The goal is to find the optimal prompt, thus requires the selection of prompt tokens. Soft prompt tuning updates the embeddings W, theta P of the prompt tokens to find the correct output Y condition on the masked X, as shown here. This is max X, this is the prompt, and this is the language model, and this output. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you.